An existing model from a competing automaker forced Porsche to rename the car the 911. By 1964, the Porsche 911 was the most dynamic sports car of the period. This car is the result of a long history, with the creation of the 1939 Type 64, a model with an all-aluminum chassis whose final version never emerged. Porsche considers it the grandfather of all their cars. Since the beginning, the company has created sports cars and cars specifically for motorsports. This 911 is the most sophisticated model ever built. With futuristic design, advanced technologies, improved engine performance, and a lightweight body, it's a supercar that epitomizes tradition, innovation, and a racing pedigree. The 911 starts with the body shell assembly, where the chassis is made with mild steel and aluminum. Production islands with weld and transfer robots put together the largest parts, notably the base of the engine bay. The 3 robots are programmed to work on all variants of the model. 2 workers verify the quality of the spot welding. Inspecting each weld, they execute necessary changes, as well as measure the distance between the parts. When the workers complete their assessment, robots move the parts to another workstation. The car's body shell side panels move via a conveyor lift to a welding station. A worker installs the panels into a secure section, where robots weld the parts with precision. Since the car's chassis is a monocoque structure rather than a traditional chassis, the side panels are attached with the base already complete. Automated guides hold the panels in place while they are welded to the base. The body shell assembly line delivers the doors, and weld robots secure them by precisely welding the hinges to the body. However, it's only temporary, since the doors will be taken away after the painting process, only to be reattached on the vehicle assembly line. Other frame parts in the car's rooftop are welded to the vehicle platform in this automated assembly section. An automated lift moves the skeletal body of the car to another station for treatment and inspection. Workers inspect the body and verify the strength and quality of the machined welds. Afterward, the structure is taken by an overhead conveyor lift to another assembly line for parts and cleaning. At this stage, workers install the hood cover and carry out manual cleaning. Using soft cloths and special cleaning agents, workers eliminate any construction dust along the body surface. The frame, weighing 80 pounds less than the previous generation's chassis, is moved by a transfer lifter to the paint shop. The painting process begins by dipping the body into a bath of cathodic dip primer. Cathodic paint enhances the corrosion resistance of the car's structure, bringing the body closer to an immune state. Next, a high-pressure shower rinses the frame to remove any excess paint before the frame dips into the primer treatment again. 7 consecutive primer baths are employed to shield the car's body shell from rust and other environmental damage. By flipping and returning the body into the basin, the primer paint is guaranteed to reach every cavity and corner. It also eliminates any streaks that might develop at intersections. After the paint is cured in a 30-minute drying procedure, the structure moves into another room, where paint robots under seal with seam sealing paint, which consists of a PVC coating. This layer of protection waterproofs all seals and eliminates additional possibilities of corrosion. In another paint room, the body receives a filler coating. Paint robots apply this base coat, which serves to protect the body from flying stones. The filler coating color is selected by the customer. all paint colors can be reproduced at an added cost. The structure requires 8 layers of the environment-friendly water-based filler coating for full coverage. Once the paint is cured, the body shell moves to another area where robots apply 2 solvent-based clear coats to provide protection against scrapes and scratches. A worker wearing protective gloves to avoid any contact with the new paint installs the company's crest on the hood with a specially crafted clamp, revealing a symbol of Stuttgart's pride.